This cafe is really nice. I love the music.
Yeah, it's calm here. Not too noisy.
And the coffee smells so good.
I always come here on Saturdays. Best coffee in town.
Thanks for bringing me. I needed a break.
Same here. Work was crazy this week.
Oh no. What happened?
Just so many emails, meetings, deadlines. You know.
I get it. My week was busy too.
Did you do anything fun?
Yeah. I went to Blue Hill Park on Sunday. The weather was perfect, and the view was amazing.
I want to go. Did you take pictures?
Yes, I took a lot. Let me show you. Wait,
What's wrong?
I can't find my phone.
Maybe it's at the bottom of your bag.
No, I already checked.
That's strange. You had it today, right?
Yes, I used it on the way here. Wait, I think my phone is gone.
What? Are you sure it's not in your bag?
I've looked twice. It's not there.
Check again. Sometimes phones hide in weird corners.
Okay. No, it's really not there.
How about your coat pocket?
Good idea. Let me check. Nope, nothing.
Are you wearing jeans? Maybe it's in a pocket.
I don't think so, but I'll look. Empty. No phone.
You had it when you came, right?
Yes, I took a picture of that dog outside. Remember?
Oh yeah, the little dog in the red sweater.
Exactly. I had my phone then.
So, between the bench outside and now, it disappeared?
That's just a few minutes.
Maybe you left it on the bench.
I don't think so, but I guess it's possible.
Or maybe it slipped out of your hand.
I don't remember dropping it.
Let's stay calm. We'll find it.
I hope so. I really need that phone.
Is it on silent?
Always.
Great. That makes it harder.
What if someone took it?
Let's not jump to that yet. Let's ask around first.
Okay, let's talk to someone. Maybe someone found it?
Yeah, good idea. Let's ask at the counter.
What should I say?
I'll help you. Come on. Hi, excuse me. My friend lost her phone.
Oh, no. I'm sorry to hear that.
Has anyone turned in a phone today?
Let me check the counter and lost and found box. One moment.
Please let it be there, please.
Fingers crossed.
Sorry, no phone was found today.
Okay. Thank you anyway.
Thanks for checking.
What do I do now?
We search. It has to be close.
Where should we look?
Let's check under the table. Sometimes things fall?
Just a spoon and lots of crumbs.
I'll check near the chairs behind us. Nope, nothing.
Could someone at another table have it?
Maybe. Should we ask around?
I don't want to bother people.
We'll be polite. Excuse me, did you happen to see a phone on the floor?
No, sorry. I didn't see anything.
Thank you anyway. This is so frustrating.
Don't worry, we'll keep looking.
What if someone walked off with it?
If they did, maybe they left a clue.
Okay, let's think. Let's retrace my steps.
Good idea. Try to remember everything.
I came in, ordered my coffee, then I paid with cash.
And then?
I came to the table, took off my jacket, and sat down.
Did you put your phone on the table?
I think so. Or maybe in my bag.
Anything strange happen?
Hmm. Oh, that man near the window bumped into me.
Do you think he took it?
I don't want to accuse anyone, but maybe.
Wait, look at that napkin.
What?
That napkin right there, under your plate.
There's writing on it.
What does it say?
Emma, call me, and a phone number.
That's not your handwriting, right?
No, I didn't write this.
Someone left you a note.
But who?
It must have been after we sat down.
Or while we were getting sugar and napkins.
Right. You left your phone on the table then, didn't you?
I think I did.
Should we call the number?
Should I call the number?
Yes. Maybe someone found your phone and left the note.
What if it's a prank?
Only one way to find out.
Okay, I'm dialing now. It's ringing.
Hello?
Hi, did you leave a note with my name on it?
Yes, I found a phone outside the cafe.
Yes, that's mine.
I wasn't sure how to find the owner, so I checked the photos. One had your name.
Smart thinking.
Thank you so much.
I left the note and waited, but I had to go. I'm still nearby.
Can we meet you now?
Sure, I'm on the bench across the street. Hi, are you Emma?
Yes, that's my phone.
I found it right there on the bench. I waited, but no one came.
Thank you so much. I didn't even know I dropped it.
I saw your photos and guessed your name. I hoped the note would help.
It did. That was really smart of you.
You saved my day. I thought it was stolen.
I know how scary that feels. I've lost my phone before, too.
Everything is on here. Photos, contacts, work stuff.
You're a real lifesaver.
I'm just glad I could help.
Can I buy you a coffee or something?
That's very sweet, but I'm just happy it's back with you.
Are you sure?
Positive. Just be more careful next time.
I will. I definitely will.
Lesson learned, huh?
Big time. No more leaving my phone on tables.
Or benches.
Take care.
You too. And thank you again. Wow. I can't believe that happened.
People are nicer than we think sometimes.
True. Okay, now I really need another coffee.
And maybe a phone leash for you.
Not a bad idea. Come on, coffee's on me this time.